Oh boy, I really wanted to display more digits than just the numbers and the letters that we have right now, but just the whole thought of trying to redesign this is doing my head in. It's going to be so many pixels, it's going to take so long, I have to reroute everything. I don't even know how I'm going to fit everything on. Oh my god, I don't know. I'm going to put this in the to heart basket. Wait, what is that? When did Eagle introduce this? No way. Hang on a second. What? Would you like to make this PCB better? Sure. What the? Oh my gosh, that is insane. Thank you, Autodesk. How did you know I wanted to turn this into a 13-segment display? Wow. Autodesk, you are the best. Okay, seriously though, I've redesigned the NeoXSegment to what I now call the NeoXSegment. Let's see if we can see what that looks like. There we go, NeoXSegment, revision 2018-1. So why did I do this? Well, as many of you might know, I've mentioned quite a few times in the past and also on the project I'm working on with David Watts that one of the things that I felt has been a little bit lacking with the NeoXSegment is the fact that I can't display every single letter in the alphabet. And I've always wanted to be able to. I think it makes the boards more versatile. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love what the NeoXSegment can do, and it's definitely perfect for stacks of different types of projects. But yeah, I just wanted to be able to do things like an M or a W. I wanted to be able to display a K. So I bit the bullet and I have completely redesigned the board. Let's have a look at the schematic. Whoa, there's a lot of pixels on here. As you can see, we've got our standard segments, we've got our diagonals, and then I've got our two verticals. Plus, we've still got the little 3535 decimal point. So everything's been a complete redo, obviously. It's the same spacing that I had before, so those of you that want to try the hand soldering, well, sorry. I have broken my rule that I set for myself on the NeoXSegment, and I have actually rotated sections of LEDs because I just couldn't route it in a way that didn't just leave ugly, long, unnecessary traces all over the place. But in the cases like up top here, well, they're still oriented the way that people are unhappy with. That's okay. The board is designed to be surface mount assembled, especially with this many pixels. Look at that inside here. Crazy stuff, hey? As you can see, we've got 13 segments. And that's all we need, because unlike something like the filament boards that I'm producing with David, I can actually break any of these segments into whatever types of displays I want. For instance, if I want to do a T, I could do the top row, I could do the two sections, but what I could also do is fill in this center one, which is on this segment, and have it a straight line if I wanted to. Or with a K, for instance, I can bring it all the way through if I want to. I can do these 3 pixels here for the K if I want to have the join in the middle. The same with the B. So I've got a lot more flexibility with this because I can address each pixel individually. So I'm excited to get one of these boards built, but even building one's not going to help because I don't have a library for this yet. It's going to take a complete rethink of how the library works for the NeoXSegments, because with the library I'm just addressing each segment and turning them on and off to design each letter, but I'm going to need sub-segment control so I can do things like break a particular segment in half. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of work and I'm not looking forward to it because, coding's so much fun. So now all that's left is to export this as Gerbers, send it off to JLC PCB and get some boards made. Here it is. Let's stencil this, shall we? Okay, here it is, finished board. Reflowed beautifully with my Reflow Master. Can't believe how well that system's working. So excited. Okay, time to see if it works. Let's get our feather test board. this using 3 wires. So I need ground, data, and VCC. I've just got the strand test set up on this. Let's see if I can plug all these in at once. Find a hole to put them in. Okay. Power and truth time. I just need to get the exposure right. Here we go. Oh, look at those pixels. That is crazy. Enough pixels, folks? Oh, that is so bright. 57. Actually, 58. Let's start that off again, shall we? 57 50/50s and one 35/35. And that just looks amazing. I can't wait to build the library for this and see what cool stuff we can do with it. Yeah, so excited. That is so bright. I am blinded looking at this thing. Cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Hit that alarm bell so you know when I've got new videos coming out, everyone. And until next time, catch you later.